Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity or if you want answers for some circumstances you are seeing today in your life, you can stay tuned for that, guys, so that may give you clarity, Gemini. So let's start with these cards. We have Emperor, Knight of Pentacles, and Hierophant in reverse, guys. Emperor in reverse. So Gemini, you are someone really skilled and talented, guys, responsible. So whatever you take up, maybe choices you make, some decisions you make for yourself in your work, or it may be something in your relationship, you are dedicated and you stand by those choices, and you are a very friendly person. You have good people skills, you help others, you work well with people. So you are a kind and compassionate person, helpful. You have a helping nature, and that may be the reason people appreciate you for your helping nature, for your attitude, that friendly attitude, guys. And you are a very kind soul, Gemini. You really melt when you see people in troubles and you go out of the way helping others, guys. And maybe that may be the reason. Maybe some people, they may try to use you. Maybe you are kind and compassionate, and they may try to use your kindness for their benefit. Maybe they may use you in some work, maybe to complete certain things on their behalf. So your kindness and your compassionate nature may be misused for some of you. So that may act like a weakness, guys, maybe. And maybe this person you love, they may see you as a friendly person, someone they love to be with. Because of your friendly nature, they simply love your company, and they find that you are a dedicated person, reliable and trustworthy, loyal to this relationship, loyal to them. And you both may have a good mutual understanding, guys. You trust each other and you love each other. You have mutual love, respect, and caring. And let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have King of Cups in reverse. So you are a very kind person, guys, Gemini. And maybe for some of you, some people may not like your friendly attitude, and people appreciating your nature, and there may be many friends for you. So someone is jealous and someone is quite working against you. Maybe because of that they are trying to create some kind of a negative situation for you. Maybe they are trying to spread some rumors or gossips about you, and maybe that way they are trying to affect you, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, guys. So if you know who it is, and they may be trying to separate you from this person you love, so some kind of someone is working against your love, so you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. Maybe if you know who it is, it may be someone from your work, or it may be your common friend. And for some of you guys, you need to be really careful. Maybe if it is the energy with this person, maybe they are trying to create some rumors about this relationship, maybe because they are jealous. So this may be your person's energy. So if you do not have a clear understanding about this person, you must be careful with them, guys. So for your career situation, it's strength in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in your work situation, things are not going as expected. Maybe for some of you, you may have some addictions, or there are people who may have some habits, and that is causing a lot of difficulties for you guys, Gemini. So it may be addiction or illness, so that is affecting your work potential today, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card, guys, and it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things, or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is, guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today, because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision. But what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life, and you need to understand that, guys. And maybe you are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. but you need to understand that it is for your best and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So destiny is working in your life today, guys. You need to understand, and this destiny has been waiting for you. This divine destiny has been uh, waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So ask yourself, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love and we want to change, and that is a honest thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.